welcome to iFocus tutorials. This video will cover how a variable is stored in a memory in case of Python. I have already uploaded a video of how to create a variable and different types of variable. So if you don't know the concept of variable, then do watch that video first, and I have also included the link in the description below. So to start with, if I give you an example and say that I have a book, let's say Python programming, and tell you to keep this book in a shelf. So this is a task for you. Now you will say that there is a lot of space here and where should I exactly keep the book? So in this case, the location is very important. Similarly, when I am creating a variable, the location, or specifically if I say the memory address, is very important. For example, if I create a variable that is a and if I store the value that is 100 in it. Now if I try to print the address of this variable by using the id function, I will get a huge address which is being printed here. If you want the address to be printed in a hex value, you can use the hex function, and then the id function, you will get the address in the hex format. This is not the real concern. Now the point is, if I print the address of 100, then you will get the same address as you were getting for a variable. Means the address you are printing for a is same as the address you are printing for 100. Now I will take some another variable, let's say b, and I will store the same value, that is 100 in it. Now I will repeat the procedure and I will print the address of b variable also. So if you observe here properly, the address of b variable is also same as the address of a variable here. Now if you have learned some other programming language, for example C, C++ or Java, so in that we create multiple variables with same value, then we get different addresses, that is unique addresses. Why? Because they are statically typed languages. Means the name of that variable is given to the memory location. But in case of Python, which is a dynamically typed language, the value is given an address. So here we can say that A and B are pointing to the same address. Now if I change the value of A and I keep the value as 200. Oh sorry, there is some indentation problem, so I will type it again, and I am storing the value as 200. So if I will print the address of A now, I will get some other address. Previously, if you observe here, I was getting some other address here. So now when I have changed the value of A, the address is different. Similarly, if I change the value of B and let's say I'll take it 500, and if I print the address of B variable here, again I am getting some different address. Why? Because my value has been changed. Now if I try to print the address of 100 again, but 100 value is not there in our memory. So if you observe here properly, again I am not getting an error and I am getting the address here. So in this case, no variable name is pointing to 100, but it is still in the memory. In Python, the memory allocation and deallocation is automatic, as there are garbage collectors for Python, and this garbage collection process frees up the memory when it is not in use. So this is it. I hope this concept of memory allocation and the concept of addresses in case of variables is clear, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.